Hi David, as I said, I'm not sure how you are recording, so perhaps your method is quicker, easier, handier, but I don't use PowerPoints because they, as far as I know, don't let me use the mouse to indicate to things that I'm talking about. So instead of PowerPoint, I open the images in the browser in several tabs of the browser. So I just go to the image I want to open. Let's say it's this image plain, right click for properties to easily select the location, which I can easily paste in a browser. So here's a browser, I paste the location here, and perhaps there are several images that I want to open. In this case, I just open the same one in multiple tabs. Next, I can zoom in, which still leaves a lot of black space over here, but well, that's because this image is kind of square rather than rectangular. Maybe I could prepare more of a rectangular image to have less of the black space. Next, as you see, the video is recording the whole screen, but I don't want it to record the whole screen. Say I want to limit the video only to the area of this browser over here without showing anything else. The way I do it is I click on this preview image in OBS and move it around and zoom in a little bit. Let's say I'm going to move it like this a little and increase the size this way by just clicking on the dots on that red border and dragging on them. And as you see here, while physically I do see the whole screen, the video is restricted only to the part where the browser is. Now I've moved the OBS and the controls to the side of the screen, which I see, but the video doesn't see that. And as you see, because I'm not using the PowerPoint slides, I can use the mouse to point to whatever I want to point at while talking about these things.